In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gelato account and seamlessly connect it to your Etsy shop. Let's dive in and explore this step-by-step process that will help you manage your print-on-demand business effortlessly. First things first, we need to create your Gelato account. Head over to the Gelato website. On the homepage, you'll find a button that says Sign Up. Give that a click and you'll be taken to a page where you can enter your details. Make sure to use an email address that you check often, as this will be important for any updates or notifications from Gelato. Once you've filled in the required fields, set up a strong password. A strong password is key to keeping your account secure, so consider using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After submitting your information, you should receive a confirmation email. Go ahead and click on the link in that email to verify your account, and voila! You've successfully created your Gelato account. Now that your account is ready, let's move on to connecting it to your Etsy shop. In your Gelato dashboard, look for the Integrations section, which is where magic happens. Here, you'll find an option to connect to Etsy. Once you click on that, Gelato will guide you through the authorization process. You'll need to log into your Etsy account when prompted. Make sure to authorize Gelato to access your Etsy shop information. This connection will allow your accounts to communicate seamlessly, ensuring a smooth print-on-demand operation. Once you've completed these steps, your Gelato and Etsy accounts will be linked. Next, it's time to upload your designs to the Gelato platform. In your Gelato dashboard, navigate to the section for Designs or Products. Here you can upload your unique artwork or design files. Make sure your files are high quality and comply with Gelato's format requirements such as resolution and size to ensure the best output for the print products. The platform allows you to preview how your design will look on various product types, which is really handy for fine-tuning before anything goes live. With your designs uploaded, you can now list your products on Etsy. Head back over to the Gelato dashboard and you'll find an option to publish to Etsy. Select the designs and products you want to list. Customize the product details like title, description, and pricing, then hit publish. Gelato makes it easy by syncing directly with Etsy, so your listings will appear on your shop without a hitch. Now, when a customer makes a purchase from your Etsy shop, Gelato automatically takes care of the printing and shipping. This automation not only saves you time, but also eliminates the hassle of managing inventory and logistics. This feature is one of the main advantages of integrating Gelato with Etsy, allowing you to focus more on designing and marketing. Lastly, tracking orders and managing customer service is a breeze. Through your Gelato dashboard, you can monitor the status of each order from printing to shipping. However, any customer service inquiries such as delivery questions or product issues should be managed through Etsy's platform to maintain that personal connection with your customers. And there you have it. By creating and linking your Gelato account with Etsy, uploading designs, listing products, automating the printing process, and effectively managing orders and customer service, you're well on your way to running a successful print-on-demand business. Happy selling!